Hello boaters, welcome to Narrowboat Journeys. My name is Phil, and at the time of recording this, I've lived afloat aboard my narrowboat for nearly 34 years. I share my home with my two cats, Bushka and Midge, and we spend our days travelling around the canal system and making videos. We're on the North Oxford Canal, and we're carrying on from where the last video finished at Newbold on Avon, and we're just about to go through the Newbold Tunnel. The Newbold Tunnel is 250 yards long, and it doesn't really look like it is, but it is actually wide enough for two boats to pass in there, although many boaters, because it's such a short tunnel, will choose to wait at either end until a passing boat has come through.
Built in 1829 to cut the journey's length. Brick walls tell old stories of engineering strength. Lanterns guide our passage, casting shadows long in this historic tunnel where we now belong. Through the Newbold Tunnel, where echoes softly ring, light at the end is shining like a bright new spring. In the heart of the darkness, our spirits find their way through the Newbold Tunnel into a brand new day. Emerging from the shadows into the light's embrace, the world opens up again, a new and wondrous place. Green fields stretch before us, the water's gentle flow, a journey on a narrowboat, there's no better way to go. Through the Newbold Tunnel, where the echoes sing, light at the end is shining like a bright new spring. In the heart of the darkness, our spirits find their way through the Newbold Tunnel into a brand new day.
After the tunnel, we go through a long, straight, wooded cutting. One thing to note here is that the towpath is always wet and muddy, even in the driest of summers. The bridge on the left there is another disused bit of this canal.
Was the guardian of the woodland light. Only I could see him, only I believed, the protector of the tree and leaf, the green as I walked forth in the vale of green on a protector of the tree and leaf. The green man, green The magic that abounds in the sky and in the ground, it is governed by an unknown green man. The green man, green With my new earthly sight,
Well, I'm planning on mooring up just along here. It looks pretty overgrown, but I have stopped here before, so I know it's okay. So in the next trip we'll carry on. Thank you very much for watching. Stay tuned for the cats, of course, and I'll see you next time.